Following the acquisition of IC Alps, a French ASIC design house, SEALSQ became the first company to offer secure hardware solutions across all forms: catalog ICs, custom ICs, and security IP, meeting the growing need for quantum-resistant semiconductors and sovereign solutions. Now the combined expertise of SEALSQ and IC Alps will set off on their three-phase roadmap. First, commercializing the first PQC standard chip, followed by the development of the QASIC quantum ASIC and related security IP, and ultimately providing secure system solutions for next-generation architectures, such as chiplet-based hardware security modules, HSMs, and secure enclaves. The QASIC initiative will be the cornerstone of SEALSQ's efforts in providing quantum-secure hardware for industries like critical infrastructure, defense, IoT, and AI. CEO Carlos Moreira highlighted that this integration accelerates the company's progress towards quantum-resistant systems, combining catalog products, custom designs, and security IP into a unified offering. This approach allows SEALSQ to provide end-to-end solutions, from secure architecture and IP creation to certified production and lifecycle management, serving both immediate and future client needs. The first prototype from this roadmap is expected in 2026, aligning with SEALSQ's Global Quantum Corridor, a network of engineering hubs spanning Switzerland, France, Spain, the UAE, Korea, and the US. This global presence will provide secure, sovereign, and quantum-resistant semiconductor solutions, helping businesses prepare for the post-quantum era. Additionally, SEALSQ has announced a collaboration with Weaken Group to develop a post-quantum KYC solution for securing financial data, as it keeps setting new standards in both semiconductor security and data protection. Next, let's congratulate Arbe Robotics, which won the 2025 Sensor Technology Solution of the Year Award at the AutoTech Breakthrough Awards for its Perception Radar, a cutting-edge sensing solution for autonomous vehicles. The radar features an ultra-high-resolution system with 48 transmitting and 48 receiving channels, providing unmatched performance in automotive sensing. It enhances safety and autonomy by offering precise free space mapping, detecting over 100,000 objects per frame, and distinguishing between drivable and non-drivable areas, ensuring safe maneuvering in all conditions, including low light and bad weather. Designed to complement camera-based sensing technology, Arbe's perception radar supports hands-free, eyes-off driving by recognizing surrounding objects and predicting their movement. This capability is essential for advanced autonomous driving, enabling critical use cases like highway driving, pedestrian detection at night, and emergency braking. The radar's ability to eliminate false alarms and ambiguities positions it as an optimal sensor for Level 3 and higher autonomy. Similarly, Soundhound received recognition after being named a leader in the 2025 Everest Group's Conversational AI and AI Agents in Customer Experience Management (CXM) Products Peak Matrix Assessment. The report recognizes Soundhound's platform for offering enterprises the flexibility to adopt AI agents gradually without discarding existing conversational workflows. The platform's proprietary voice engine, Polaris, provides advanced features like dynamic turn-taking, natural pauses, and multilingual processing, ensuring superior conversational performance. Everest Group praised Soundhound's unique agentic AI framework, which integrates goal setting, reasoning, orchestration, and function execution to automate complex workflows. This capability allows businesses to use both action and cognitive agents for more efficient, end-to-end customer service, sales, and marketing processes. Soundhound's Supervisor AI layer further enhances dynamic agent coordination, while its no-code agent designer simplifies deployment, enabling enterprises to deploy AI agents seamlessly across both legacy and modern environments. Amelia 7, the latest version of Soundhound's conversational AI platform, launched in May 2025, is noted for offering agentic capabilities that allow AI agents to listen, reason, and act autonomously to complete multi-step tasks. The platform's Agentic Plus framework combines the reasoning skills of large language models with deterministic flows and human-in-the-loop capabilities. Then, with only a few weeks left, Workhorse is urging its shareholders to vote in favor of its proposed merger with Motive Electric Trucks, along with all other proposals at the upcoming 2025 Annual General Meeting on November 12th. Shareholders of record as of September 18, 2025, are eligible to vote. The merger with Motive is an all-stock transaction aimed at creating a leading North American medium-duty electric truck manufacturer. Workhorse emphasizes that shareholders who approve the merger will have the opportunity to benefit from the potential growth of the combined company. It's asking shareholders to vote in favor of all 9 proposals on the agenda to complete the merger, as failing to do so would prevent the transaction from closing and could lead to continued financial challenges for Workhorse as an independent company. Additionally, Workhorse is proposing a reverse stock split to meet Nasdaq's listing requirements due to the change of control resulting from the merger. The reverse stock split is necessary for the transaction's completion, and shareholders are encouraged to approve it along with the other proposals. Shareholders can vote by attending the meeting virtually, voting online before or during the meeting, or by returning a completed proxy card. Those who held shares as of the record date but sold them afterward are still eligible to vote. Workhorse stresses that every vote is crucial for securing the long-term success of the merger and ensuring future growth opportunities. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.